All right, so I can't figure out the lighting and I'm actually kind of in a rush, but hello, beautiful people. This is Whitney. I'm back. I know, before you even say anything, okay, I know I've been gone, but I'm back, you guys. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna be filming the vlog slash a what I eat in a day video. So we're gonna be vlogging today. And as you guys know, I am on a fitness journey, and last time I checked in with you guys about my weight, which was like almost a year ago, I was like 70 something pounds down, and till today, or till to this day, I am now 87 pounds down, and I am on a weight loss journey of a total of 100 pounds, you guys. And I've decided, in order to shed off these last few pounds, I'm gonna go ahead and do the keto diet. So I've been doing it for the past 2 days now, and I wanted to go ahead and just vlog this with you guys. So I actually have some good news. I stepped on the scale this morning, and okay, so I'm 87 pounds down now, but I did gain some weight, but now I'm back down to where I'm at. And so I stepped on the scale this morning, and you guys, I am down another 4 pounds, so I'm 2 pounds away from my October goal. So I like to set short-term goals for myself. And so for October, I wanted to lose 10 pounds. Yes, 10 pounds, and I'm 2 pounds away from that. So yeah, I want to be filming, like vlogging, like more so like weekly, or try to get up a couple of vlogs during the week. I'm actually on my way to the bank first. I need to do a bank run. And then I need to pick up 2 items from H-E-B. I need to just pick up 2 more things because there's these like keto cookies that I kind of want to make. So do that, and then after that, I'm going to head to the gym for my morning workout. I have not eaten today. I'm going to be eating when I get back from the gym. I like to, so my diet right now is kind of 2 meals a day. So I'm kind of doing intermittent fasting, but it wasn't really voluntary. It was because like I work 8 to 5 and lunchtime is at 12 o'clock. So it was like, I just eat then. I don't eat breakfast because I wake up at 5:45 every morning to go work out, and then by the time it's like time for me to go to work. Anyways, this is a lot of rambling. I hope you guys can see me, but let's get into this vlog. I'll be back to show you guys what I'm eating for lunch. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym, and I'm gonna take a shower first, and then I'm gonna be eating my first meal, or making my first meal of the day, which I want to show you guys something. So come with me. Come with me. We can actually do it here. Okay. So I picked up some stuff from H-E-B prior to me going to the gym, because there's like this keto cookie recipe that I wanted to make, and I had all the ingredients except for 2 things. So let me show you guys. So I got some PB Fit, whatever, some peanut butter powder. I got this one, and then I found this almond butter, because for this recipe, I just did not want to buy the Justin's almond butter because I already have it at home, and that almond butter is like low-key, high-key expensive. And I was like, I just need some almond butter for this recipe. Like, I'm not trying to spend no $8, $9, $10 for no freaking almond butter. And I found this, and you guys, look at it, $6.36, and look how much. Hold on, I was gonna zoom in for me. Okay. It's not gonna focus, but as you guys can see, what is that? 0.910 pounds. So this is almost a pound of almond butter. Let me do some calculations and let you guys know what those conversions equal up to. Okay, so in the Justin's almond butter, you get 1 pound. In this, it's almost 1 pound, but I kind of like the macros on here a little bit better, because look at that, 6 grams of carbs with 6 grams of fiber, so therefore it's 0 carbs in here, but you do have the 2 grams of sugar. While with the Justin's, by the way, this is the maple flavor, so this one here is 6 grams of carbs with 3 grams of sugar. So macros in here are better, so I'm going to be using this for this recipe. Alrighty, so anyways, I'm about to take a shower, and then I'm about to eat good, and then make these cookies, and then I need to get some work done for church, for school. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're about to do. Okay, so I'm out the shower, and I'm about to get started. So what we're gonna have, let me show you this. So what you need for this, alrighty. So what we need for this is some shredded cheese. I have fat-free. Granted, yes, I know I'm doing keto, but compared to all the other shredded cheese that I wanted, for some reason, this just had the better macros, even though it was fat-free. So I was like, I'm gonna get this. You're gonna need some baby spinach, some sour cream. And let me just say, y'all, I did not know that sour cream came in a squeeze tube. Like, I would never buy the one where you have to scoop it out. Like, this made my life so much easier. Oh, ooh, snap. And then you're gonna need some avocado. I'm gonna use like half of an avocado. I'm just showing you guys this because you're gonna need some meat. And the meat that I use, I just made some ground beef. This is leftover ground beef that I'm about to warm up. But in it, I had this, like when I was cooking it, I chopped half of, dang, what is this pepper called again? No, it's not a habanero. Jalapeno. Lord Jesus, I was like, what is it called? You're gonna need half of an, I did half of a jalapeno in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up and then get started, okay? Okay, so I have the ground beef warming up. So what I wanna do is take some spinach. I'm gonna take about, I'm gonna take a little bit more. Can y'all see this? I'm trying to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, alrighty. So what I'm gonna do, move this out the way. You're gonna go ahead and, you're gonna grab it, and you're just gonna go ahead and dice it up. Y'all see this knife game? I swear I could work at Chipotle if I really wanted to. I'll just be in the back, cutting up the lettuce, cutting up, I don't know. I could cut up the meat. Just know if I worked at Chipotle, I wouldn't be stingy with the meat because they be acting like if they give you extra meat, it's gonna come out of their paycheck or something. Like, bro, why y'all so stingy with the meat? Like, give it out. You're not the one paying for it. Okay? Just give it out. And there's definitely still some big chunks over here. Okay, you guys, so that is cut to a good level. So I'm just going to plate this here. And then I'm gonna cut up this avocado. And I'm gonna go ahead and dice this into 3 or 4. Okay, y'all. This is so messy, but it's gonna taste good, so that's all that matters. I mean, I'm not the best at making food look pretty. Okay. So we're gonna move that to the side. We're gonna put this there. And this is where you're gonna get your ground beef. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the ground beef on top. Alrighty. So we have the ground beef. And then you're gonna take your cheese. Sprinkle these. Alright. Cheese is on there. And then your sour cream. Okay, yeah. That doesn't look cute. Anyways, I'm gonna take some garlic pepper and I'm gonna put this on the avocado because garlic pepper on avocado just tastes legit. And if you want, you can put hot sauce on this, but y'all, I kind of like this without the hot sauce. So I'm just gonna put that there. We're gonna put this there. Okay, you guys, so this is my, it's like a taco bowl, but without the shell. And you guys, it's pretty good. I tried this yesterday without the avocado, and it was so good. I was literally scraping like the plate. I was like, I want more. So, sorry, it cut off on me. I ran out of memory on my SD card. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make those cookies. And then I'll show you guys, or let you guys know if those cookies taste good. All right, you guys, I had to switch over to my iPhone. Y'all, this Okay, that was nasty. But this is so good. Hey y'all, 0 calorie drink, 0 everything. It literally tastes just like orange soda. So this is how I help myself feel full. Sometimes like, if I'm eating something a little bit lighter, like granted after I finish eating this bowl, I'll probably feel full, but it's spinach. Give it like an hour or 2 hours, I'm gonna be hungry again. So that helps me feel full. Okay, y'all, these are my cookies. I think I kind of grouped them a little too big because yeah, they look really large. Let's see. Let's go. Oh no. Okay, let's go ahead and bring these out and let them sit out. I don't want it to get cake-like. That. So this is them. I'm gonna have this with either some almond milk, or I might pair with a little bit of my enlightened ice cream. The only thing is that it's kind of carb heavy. 18 minus 5 is 13. Then you got the sugars. I don't know. Either almond milk, and I might have a little bit of this. Granted, I'm not going to eat all of these, but yeah, this is it. I'm excited for these to cool off and try them out and see if they taste good. Okay, so I'm going to try my cookie. And I'm going to try it first without milk. Let's see how it tastes. So I know I forgot to put sugar in this. Like I realized I forgot to put sugar in this. Like everything's fine, it's just I need sugar. I'm gonna dip it in some milk. Let's see how that tastes. Yeah. I forgot sugar, y'all. Or like something like stevia or Truvia. So what I'm gonna do is I just have to wait for my ice cream to like kind of defrost, because I need something sweet. I have cream cheese icing, but I don't want to put that on here because then that's sugar. But there's ice cream sugar too. Damn it. Other than that, this is actually good. It just needs something sweet. It needs a sweetener. So yeah. And it's the person who I got the recipe from, overall it should be about 5 grams of carb per cookie. So that's not too bad. Granted, I'm not gonna be eating this every day, but not bad. Hey guys, so let me just go ahead and apologize for like the quality change. So my actual camera is large, and so it makes like vlogging a little bit harder because of how large it is, and I don't have someone who can help me film. So I kind of switched over to my phone for like the last 3 clips you just saw. But I am back with this. I'm gonna see if I can just use this more, just because I do like for my quality to be as crisp as possible. I mean, I'm no like big beauty guru or whatever, but I mean, I do like nice quality. I like watching nice quality, so I mean, I like to put up stuff like that. But anyway, so it's 6:57. I think I'm gonna go ahead and have my last meal of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing I don't know if you guys follow Makeup Shayla. She makes this like keto acai bowl, and I actually like it. So I actually have one already prepped in the fridge, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so you need a bowl, and these are the ingredients. So you would need some hemp seeds, some chia seeds, some pecans, some coconut chips, pumpkin seeds, some almond butter. I vary back and forth between almond butter and cookie butter, but I'm really trying to be strict with myself, so today I'm gonna be doing the almond butter. And then you're gonna need some type of sweetener. You can either do a liquid, like stevia, or you can do Truvia. I've been using the stevia so far, but today I'm gonna try the Truvia because I think it's a little bit sweeter. And then some blueberries. Alrighty, so I already have this prep. Usually what you would do is you would take 3 tablespoons of the hemp seeds, and then you would take 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds, and then you would pour in some almond milk or whatever milk you want to use. I use almond milk, and you would just kind of like cover up the seeds and let it sit overnight. I mean, you can honestly go 20 minutes and it should be ready to go, but usually I kind of let it sit overnight. So I already have this, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in next my Justin's almond butter. Alrighty, so you add in 2 tablespoons, and I'm actually gonna have to put my camera down, but you're gonna go ahead and mix this. So I just finished mixing that. Gotta lick the spoon. So good, so good. Alrighty, so that's all mixed in. Next, you're gonna take some pumpkin seeds, and we're just gonna go ahead and put that on. A little bit more. Okay. And then next, wait, what do I put next? Oh, I put the, oh snap! Dang it. You're supposed to add your sweetener first. Alright, looks like I gotta do the liquid today, because I straight up forgot. So that way you can mix it in. But yeah, before you, don't worry, like, I'm just trying to make this pretty for y'all to look at, but I'm gonna mix everything anyway. But you would add in your sweetener with all the mix before you top it with everything, but I forgot. I probably will add in the Truvia afterwards. I wanna make it. But anyways, you're gonna add in your coconut chips, which I look forward to coconut chips because it's like, and then we're gonna do some pecans. Just like that. And then we're gonna do some blueberries. I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the ones that I'm gonna use and then top it. All right, we're just gonna add in our blueberries. And you guys, that is our keto acai bowl. I like it, I actually really do. I feel like the blueberries definitely help with like the sweetness of it. But yeah, you guys, this is it and it's good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix in all my stuff, but yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I really want to do these type of videos more often. So I'm almost done editing this video. I literally just need to edit in this last part, so hopefully this vlog will go up tonight. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a taste test. I did end up adding the Truvia afterwards, the powdered version of it, or yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Y'all, it's good. Hashtag Shayla taught me. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating my keto acai bowl, and I'm gonna be watching my favorite show of all time, Charmed. I love Charmed. And fun fact, if you guys don't know, but my channel name is called Ask Whitney, and if you've ever watched Charmed, you know that one of the sisters, Phoebe Halliwell, had a column called Ask Phoebe, and so that's where I got the inspiration to name my channel Ask Whitney. So yeah, you guys, I literally have watched all 8 seasons over and over again, and right now I'm currently on season 3. It is my favorite show ever. I love it. So yeah, make sure you follow me also on Instagram and Snapchat. I'm really active on Snapchat more, like a lot more than usual than I used to be. So follow me there, you guys. I'll have the lower thirds here, cause yeah. But yeah, you guys follow me, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog or the next video. Okay, alrighty, bye you guys.